This is the function of the dead latch series of Press-O-Matic keyless locks. The door is locked, the latch is locked. You press the combination and the latch will retract automatically. The door opens and the door closes and it's automatically locked again. Again, press the combination and it automatically unlocks. 100% mechanical, no batteries. From the opposite side, from the inside, you just press the unlock button. The door opens, the door closes, it's locked. Press the unlock button, the door opens, the door closes.